Cassava can be consumed fresh. It can also be roasted. You can boil, and you can as well chop it into small pieces, dry it, and then you grind it into a flour that is very good for infants and also for adults. Subsequently, also the leaves can be consumed as vegetables, and also the leaves may serve as fodder for your animals. When selecting your cassava cutting, you should avoid the bottommost part, which is very woody and therefore rooting will be compromised, and as well as the topmost part, which is very soft and also rooting will be compromised. In fact, they might rot in the soil. So the mid portion is the perfect part to obtain your cuttings. And the best cuttings should be at least 1 feet long or 12 inches long, and it should have as many nodes or eyes as possible, because this will serve as the points where roots will be formed, and the part which will be above the ground, this will form the portions where the leaves will be formed, the leaves which will be very important in sustaining the plant. In planting your cassava, you loosen the soil and you can make a mound. I prefer that. And then you insert your cassava. At least 8 inches should be in the ground, so that you may form a larger surface area for roots to form, which will eventually translate into more tubers for harvesting in the future. The biggest challenge in cassava farming is cassava mosaic virus, so you should start from cuttings which are clean and disease free. So you should sanitize your tools to get rid of any pathogens that might transfer this disease to your plants, and also you should select your cutting from a certified nursery. Another challenge will be the cassava weevil, and with this you can use some natural and also artificial means to control. You may harvest your cassava from the 6th to the 8th month after planting, but the more you leave your cassava in the field, the more they grow bigger, but also the more they get fibrous. And you can leave it even for 24 months, but it won't be very good for consumption. This will be good raw material for industrial processes like ethanol extraction. If you found this helpful, kindly remember to subscribe, like, comment and share, and we'll be very grateful for your continued support. But until the next video, keep growing, guys.